Hello and welcome back to our channel. It's glad to see you here. In this video, I'm going to share with you an instant way of making oats porridge. Now, this can be served in between meals to satisfy your hunger, especially when you're on strict weight loss programs, or it may be served as a quick breakfast itself. Again, this is a good option for weaning babies who are 6 months old and for young children as well. So, check out the recipe of making this oats porridge. We begin with adding milk into a pan. Now, this is a regular dairy source of milk. Into it, I'm directly going to add the rolled oats. Also, a little of jaggery syrup. You can also add molasses or the dates extract. And then simply bring it to boil. As it boils, stir in and keep it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's quite easy to make and literally takes no time. You can also find a set of recipes which are highly suggestive for planning weight loss. Now, there are some breakfast recipes which are already shared in our channel. And here's the link to the whole playlist in the description below. Do check that out, and I would definitely love to hear from you. In case of any doubts or queries, simply mail to us or drop them in the comments below. While we can see the oats have bloomed, have become soft, and now they are cooked well. So this is very quick and we are almost done. Now this makes one serving size. So serve it hot and replace your junk or unhealthy food selections during the mid-meal times when you may get hungry, which is mostly seen when you begin with weight loss diets. Top it with nuts and fruits of your choice and help yourself. This will of course keep you going till the next meal time. And of course, you don't have to feel guilty as it does not add up much calories. Also, as I said in the beginning, it is a good choice for introducing solid foods for babies who attain the age of weaning or for young children as well. So, kickstart your day with regular exercise and healthy eating habits to attain your goal of a healthy weight loss. Thank you for your support always, and I'm looking forward to see you soon in our next video.